YouTube, how's it going? So for today's video, it's part 3. It's the last day I can work on this thing, so this thing's got to get out of here. We're going to work on getting everything buttoned up for this engine, intercooler piping, coolant, oil, fuel lines put on, the harness put back on, distributor timed, what else? Catch cam put back on, hopefully looking a little bit better than it was before, because do a lot of temporary stuff that ends up becoming more like all the time stuff, like just how it is. So we're going to fix that and make that look a little bit better. And what else? Yeah, we just got a couple things that we need to button up on this thing. Then we're going to go take it for a quick drive. Let it warm up all the ways. Take it for a quick drive. Make sure everything's good on this thing. And then we'll come back in, replace the rack, replace that shock, throw the 373s in the rear because it's got 308s in it right now. And with a 4-cylinder, and it might just be because the old engine was tired, but man, it was just took forever to get through each gear. I mean, it would go fast, but it was just slow RPMing. So I'm hoping that with 373s, because I don't need to be going fast. This thing's trying to go sideways. It's not trying to go fast in a straight line. So, and I'm not trying to drive it down the freeway all the time. So, 373s it is. What else? I think that should be it for now. We'll see. I'll probably end up wanting to do more stuff to this thing because you know how project cars are. It's a never-ending cycle. Let's get at it. was the first start. Please don't blow up. Please don't be making a bunch. Please don't be making a bunch of oil noise.
Definitely for taking the top off. That would have been a fun little.
Well, let's see how the maiden voyage home goes. Should be fine. Did quite a bit of tuning, trying to figure stuff out in the shop, so let's see how she goes. And with that, the old girl made it home. Didn't quite beat on it too hard because the tune still needs work, and it was feeling a little bit lazy because it was running pretty rich. But there's no oil leak underneath like it would normally do with the old engine. Wasn't able to get the steering rack replaced, or the shock replaced, or the rear end rebuilt. But at least we got the engine done. So some, major component being replaced. It took some time trying to get this stuff figured out and everything. And I also put my decapped 30-pound Ford injectors in this thing. They're the red tops, and it's got way more fuel now. So I can't wait to get this thing tuned and get it to where it's running real good. Get them 373s put in the rear of this thing and go take it drifting. Because, that's what I'm doing all this work for. So Appreciate you guys' time. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you at the next one.